Today, I'll show you how to see pre-market and extended hours data in TradingView. Before we begin, there's one important thing to understand. In TradingView, pre-market and after-hours trading are part of what TradingView calls extended hours or extended sessions. TradingView says this data is shown only on intraday charts, not on daily or higher time frames, and not every exchange or symbol supports it. If the symbol has no extended hours data, the chart setting may still appear, but it won't change anything. To get started, open the stock chart you want to watch in TradingView. Then make sure you're on an intraday time frame like 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, or 1 hour. This part matters because TradingView says extended sessions are visible only on intraday resolutions. So if you're on 1 day, 1 week, or 1 month, you may not see the pre-market data at all. Now look at the bottom right corner of the chart. If the symbol supports it, TradingView says you should see an ETH button there. ETH stands for Extended Trading Hours. Tap or click that button, and TradingView will show the pre-market and post-market session on the chart. This is usually the fastest way to turn it on. There's also another way to do the same thing. Open the Chart Settings menu, go to the Symbol tab, and look for the Extended Hours option. TradingView says you can enable extended hours from there too. In that same area, you can also change or remove the colored tint that highlights the pre-market and after-hours part of the chart, so the view looks cleaner if you prefer. Once it's enabled, you'll be able to see the price movement outside the regular market session. TradingView says the extended session includes the regular session, plus the pre-market and post-market subsessions, although some symbols may have only one of those instead of both. So, on supported US stocks, this is how you can see what happened before the opening bell and after the normal close. If you also want to view pre-market or after-hours values in a screener, TradingView says the screener has an extended hours tab and related columns for that data, but this information is available only while the extended session is actually active. So the chart is the best place for a full visual view, while the screener is useful for scanning. One more thing to remember is that seeing extended hours data is different from trading during extended hours. TradingView says that for supported assets like stocks and ETFs, limit orders can be set to work outside regular trading hours, in paper trading, or with certain brokers, but that is a separate order setting and not the same as just turning on ETH on the chart. So, in simple terms, open a supported stock on an intraday time frame, then use the ETH button at the bottom right of the chart, or go to Settings greater than symbol greater than extended hours. That's the main way to see pre-market and extended hours data in TradingView. And that's how to see pre-market and extended hours data in TradingView. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.